नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. डिप्लोमाच्या के स्कीमचं बेसिक सायन्समधल्या फिजिक्सचा पहिला चॅप्टर युनिट आणि मेजरमेंट याचे काही आपण इम्पॉर्टंट MCQs बघणार आहोत, जे MSBTEच्या एक्झामला ऑनलाईन एक्झामला आलेले आहेत. फिजिक्स हा काही माझा सब्जेक्ट नाही आहे, पण हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला मदतीच्या याच्याने मी केलेला आहे की तुम्हाला जेणेकरून थोडीफार मदत व्हावी. काही टर्म्स मला पण क्लिअर नाही आहेत, पण याच्यातले आन्सर करेक्ट आहेत जे आहेत ते 95% आन्सर याच्यामध्ये आहेत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन व्होल्ट इज इक्वल टू 1.6 इंटू 10⁻19 जूल. Then 1 gigahertz correspond to 109 hertz. Then 1 millimeter correspond to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Then 1 volt is equal to 1 J upon 1 C. Then CGS unit of velocity is centimeter per second. Then if the length of cube is 2 centimeter, its volume will be 8 centimeter cube. If the length of blackboard is 50 centimeter, here 50 is magnitude. Then question number 8 is, if the reading of thickness of metal plate is 1.612 centimeter, 1.611 centimeter, 1.613 centimeter and 1.612 centimeter respectively, then average reading will be 1.612 centimeter. Then next question is, in CGS system of unit length, mass and time are measured respectively centimeter, gram and second. Then in FPS system of unit length, mass and time are measured respectively foot, pound and second. Then question number 11 is, light year is a unit of distance. The next is, the dimension of refractive index is no dimension. Then answer of question number 13 is not given here. Question number 14 is, the dimensional formula for length is L1M0T0. Then the formula of percentage of error is also not given. The instrument used for measurement of temperature is also not given here. You just find out, these are the questions which are asked in online MSBT exam, final examination. Then the joule or second is known as what? Watt. Joule oblique second. Joule per second. Then the length of compass box measured by 5 students are 20.5, then 20.6, 20.6, 20.7, 20.5 centimeter respectively. Then the average reading will be, you can easily count this average. Then answer of these two question is also not given. The length of table is measured by 2 students are 90.5 centimeter, 90.4 centimeter. Error involved in measurement is called what? Then question number 21 is, the number of significant figures in 0.0703 are 3. Then the number of significant figures in 12.600 are 5. The number of significant figures in 40.0 is 3. Then question number 25 is, the ratio of average absolute error to mean reading is called as relative error. Then it is very easy, 26th and 27. What is SI unit of electric current and SI unit of magnetic flux? Then the SI unit of magnetic intensity is ampere per meter. Then these two questions, the speed of 20 kilometer per hour is equal to what? The standard unit should be what? Then the unit area in mcqs system is square meter. The unit of force in SI system is Newton. Then you have to find out this question number 33 and 34. Then we will see in next video chapter 2, that is electricity, magnetism and semiconductors, important MCQs. Thank you.